Welcome home, Bitcoin truth seekers. Of course, right as I put out the morning video, Jonathan Regan over at Blockchain Education posted a chart that, well, I wish I'd noticed earlier. It's amazing what we can miss that is right in front of us. All right, so once again, that's Blockchain Education. You can find an affiliate link, yes, for them over at bitcoindailyview.com. Got more for you there. Also, always check out tradegenius.io, an amazing group. Honestly, I cannot recommend one over the other. I think if you are a crypto trader, they're both essential. If you're a traditional market trader, then definitely check out tradegenius.io. Link in the description. We'll actually link in over at Bitcoin Daily View. Both invaluable. I wouldn't get through the day without them. All right, check this out. On the daily chart, I don't know why I've not been noting the 314 moving average. I just have not on the daily because it's very, very important. I've just been looking at the 200 moving average and the 21 EMA. Anyway, all right, boom. Check this out. So, using a fib line, and this is how I drew it, and I'm starting back here on the 13th of March or so, when we had our red Madrid ribbons there, but that's fine. They did turn green afterwards. This is a nice logical spot for a fib to start up to the recent high, and now check it out. So we've been hanging out right here at the .5 fib line on the daily, and that makes sense. You know, we've kind of been following this range. I mean, really, wow, if you look at this, it's kind of perfect. We've been following a range, you know, right between the .5 and the .382 fib line. So basically, you know, 3,400, well, 34,200 to like, 41,400. So basically, we've been in this range. That's where the whales have been keeping us. All right. So just wanted to note that right now, right away. So, but check out this green line right here. That's a 314 moving average. And as you can see, we have dumped down, well, we've kind of wicked down to it. We've wicked down to it right now. We are hitting, I mean, the body of the candle is hitting it. Be watchful. We are looking at a possible negative MACD. Well, we actually are looking at a daily negative MACD cross. Never really a good thing. So just check this out. We are looking at the daily, if we make a bounce off this 314, we're in a beautiful spot if we look at previous price action. Just like I say, Jonathan Regan noticed this. Well, he's been watching this. I just had not quite noticed it. I was just looking at the 200 moving average and the 21 EMA. I was not thinking about the 314. Why? I don't know. I just totally blew it. And mainly because historically, for a while, it hasn't really come into play. It's just been the 200 moving average has been above it. It's been way down here. We've been above the 200 moving average. I just didn't really care. I was watching the 21 EMA for kind of immediate price swings. But, so yes, we're under the 200 moving average. We're under the 21 EMA. Yes, but look at this. We are at a very, very powerful and possible bounce spot there on the 314 moving average. It is a powerful moving average. It is a big deal. Just watch out for this daily MACD cross. Let's watch for a move off of the 314 moving average. Let's watch for the MACD to cross positive to get on the positive side here. This MACD, I do believe, has crossed negative. This is Bitcoin versus USDT on Binance. You can see this is kind of jostling back and forth. The histogram right now is showing some red, so we are just negative. So anyway, check this out. If this plays out and we start moving above this, if we get this 314 bounce and the MACD does cross back into the positive, this could be a rocking swing trade. Not financial advice, entertainment purposes only. This is only for this is only for crazy people. But if we got back to the top of that range, back here to like, the 382 fib line, or even let's just say close to it, looking at a 20% swing trade there if we continue doing what we have been doing. I just did not notice the 314 moving average. That's crazy. I blew that one. So once again, looking at immediate price action within that range, basically, I still don't see any reason to expect a turn up here on the 4-hour chart. It just looks bad. Looking at the 45-minute chart, we are playing with previous support and resistance, but once again here, I'm just not really. Let me check this out. Maybe we're seeing some support and a turn on here on the 45-minute chart. So I'm going to be watching the 45-minute chart. I'm going to be watching the 4-hour chart. I'm going to be watching the daily because, as you can see, the body of the daily is already taking some pressure off of the 314. Maybe this is just going to be a wick through it in the end when this day closes. Anyway, be watchful. This is interesting. We might be seeing a beautiful swing trade because look at that range that Bitcoin has been in, right about there. Like I say, if we do what we have done previously, we could see a nice 20% swing. Just as always, not financial advice, just be watchful. I wanted to mention this because, Jonathan Regan pointed it out as soon as I made the video. Anyway, maybe be watchful. This could be quite the interesting play on the daily. Also, if Bitcoin does become positive and continues moving up at that point, that's going to make some great alt trades. I myself, I'm a bit of a Doge fan. Doge is just in the potty right now, coming in at 22 cents. If you get that confirmed uptrend for Bitcoin, well, if you're a Doge fan, good time to accumulate against USDT or make a trade. Anyway, right now, though, be watchful. I'm waiting for that MACD to open up positively for Bitcoin on the daily and that bounce off the 314 right now. It is a glorious, insane red day in the market. It's kind of like a monster truck race. You might pay for the whole seat, but you'll only need the edge. Thanks for tuning in to this little supplemental that I did today. BitcoinDailyView.com. Got more for you there. Once again, this chart update here did come from Jonathan Regan over at Blockchain Education. If you guys want to learn to trade and be complete badasses, go check out Blockchain Education. Go check out TradeGenius.io. They're both just phenomenal groups to be a part of. Take care.